So what's up guys, and welcome back to a new episode. As you can see, we have the car a bit leaning, much grip in the rear of that car. So this week we will work with the chassis and prep it for paint, making sure that we weld all these sheets in, grind them down, also get rid of all the undercarriage mass, or whatever you call it, the rust protection mass. We have started here and we have a little bit to go. Okay, this is one heck of a job. This is maybe 2.5 hours of grinding with the machine. And here we can find all the bruises, holes, old welds. Now we have almost half of the car is now without it. And here we have the other side. So yeah, I still have some job to do. But that's it for today. We keep going tomorrow, so have some sleep. I will see you again tomorrow. So welcome back. I actually have been cheating a little bit and done the other half without filming it. But I thought that, yeah, it's pretty much the same as the other side, so quite boring to watch. But now all the paint and this rust protection is gone from the engine bay, and from underneath we have a clean undercarriage. So all there is left now is to weld a couple of plates, put sealers on a couple of places to not get smoke in the car. This one has Lisa almost finished as well. So that's pretty much it. Soon time for paint. Fredrik is welding up all the holes. A lot of small screw holes and all old crap. I'm making sure it's completely sealed. So yeah, all the boring stuff is now done. At least I hope so. So now we will paint it. I won't film too much because I'm afraid of all the dust going to destroy my camera, but I will try to film a little bit of it. So you can see myself making a fool out of myself when painting, doing something I never done before. So yeah, just let me get into some better clothes and we'll see you in a minute. Much better. So yeah, already hot. So this is my nice new suit. So let's do this and see if we could make this a little bit more nice. Let's get to work. So that's pretty much the base coat. And I am super hot. Okay, so that's the base coat. I think that's the layers that we need. So now we're just gonna let this dry for 15-20 minutes, and then we will go with the lacquer, the clear coat. So all of these products, the paint, the base paint, the lacquer, the clear coat, everything is supported by LACKMAN, who has been helping us for a couple of years when we painted the car from the beginning and now, and also last year. So they support us with all the paint we need, and yeah, so that's a super nice support to get everything fresh. Yeah, so let's get some air and then get back to it. So now it's been a day or a little more. Looky, all fresh. So for being the first time ever that we do a paint job by ourselves, we are pretty satisfied. It looks really shiny, this silver metallic looks perfect. And underneath the car as well, the wheel houses, and I started mounted up the white slab parts. So the blue looks really good together with the silver and this dark gray metallic that we decided to go for on the subframe and the engine covers for next season. So this is a car paint. This is a dark gray metallic. Also looks super awesome for being done in this dirty garage with a cheap $20 air sprayer. That's, yeah, super satisfied with the result. And once again, a big thank you to LACKMAN, who support us with the colors, all the materials for doing the paint job, and for the support to learn us and help us how to do it. So that's a super nice help and a super nice support. Yeah, I'm very satisfied with the result. It looks very fresh. So now it's time to assemble the car, put everything back together, start with the new brake lines, back with the brake reservoirs, steering rack. Okay, we have the mock-up engine, so we're waiting for the new engine, which will be fitted in there. So yeah, now the fun time starts to just assemble everything and make it ready for the season and for the pre-test we will probably have in February or March. Yeah, so this is it for this week, and the next coming weeks we will work with the assembly of the car and film it, of course. So please stay tuned to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to subscribe, share, comment with whatever, help us. Tell us what you think about the paint job, tell us what you think about the vlog, whatsoever, just help us. Awesome. So yeah, till next time, see ya.